Honda City 2010 version. Install Cogoo CG-N10 10.1-inch Android GPS big screen player with OEM good fitting casing. It's got a big casing. So silver color, available for silver color and a black color. Okay. IPS multi-angle view. 2 GB RAM, 32 GB storage, a full menu, setting. So you have to choose network, turn on Wi-Fi, connect your phone hotspot for internet. About car, AC8227L, 2 GB RAM, 32 GB storage. Okay, TM2313 sound processor and a Bluetooth 4.1. Android version 10. Navi setting. Okay, car setting. So handbrake detection. Play video after release your handbrake. Full menu. YouTube, Waze, Google Maps, Spotify all can download from the Play Store. So you have to log in your Gmail to download app. Steering wheel control, you can set your steering wheel. A Bluetooth call and a Bluetooth music. Bluetooth music, you can share your phone music to CarPlay. Okay, so this is Cogoo CG-N10 10.1-inch AHD camera input, 4-core processor. So connect Cogoo AHD parking reverse camera. So the reverse line is come with the car player. It's got a 2 USB slot, USB port, USB extension will put in a drawer, and a GPS antenna will hidden inside the pillar. Honda City 2010 version. Nighttime driving, you can off close screen. Music and a radio will keep on. Touch anyway to turn it on. So when I turn on the headlight, so it's got a light, touch panel got light, and auto dim. Okay, when I turn off headlight, touch panel, the light is off. When I turn on again, show you again. Okay, on, off, turn off headlight. Okay, touch panel lighting off. Fixed color, white color. And also got a RST hole. This is for the simple reset. Simple reset. Okay, so this is Cogoo CG-N10 10.1-inch Android GPS big screen player. Clear apps, create one by one or close all. Long press to change your home theme. It's got available for 22 different home theme. You can select it. So this is Cogoo brand, so you can use a Cogoo special UI. Okay, installed by One Piece, our shop in Balakong, Seri, Kembangan, Selangor, Malaysia, and video by Andy. Thank you.